The following segment is sponsored by Dental Masters of Alexandria. Well, we all want to stay healthy, especially getting into the colder months. Today, we are learning about the importance of dental health on our immune systems. I'm joined now by Dr. Jamie Laviola from Dental Masters of Alexandria. Welcome to the show, and let's start by talking about the COVID risk factors and how our gums are indications of our overall health.
First, I just wanted to say thank you for having me. To answer the first question, as far as how our gums are affecting our overall health, we know that there's, from the literature, 57 diseases that have an associative or a causal relationship to overall health, varying from cardiovascular. There's some studies on dementia, diabetes, all different sorts. And so it's really a warning sign. And not everyone that has unhealthy or bleeding gums will lose their teeth, but there shouldn't be any bleeding on a regular basis. That means something is going on. And at that point, we want to find out what it is so we can stay on top of it and be healthy.
Talk about, as a dentist, how you can see our immune system's strength in our gums.
Yeah, so an example would be someone comes in and they have really healthy bone that holds the teeth in, but the gums are bleeding, they're flossing, they're brushing. We see some improvement, but always come in with that red inflammatory or the bleeding when we measure the gums. So that's right there an indicator or a sign. The second thing that we've taken is with the science, there's a lot of good salivary testing that can tell us what type of bacteria. So if we're going to prescribe an antibiotic, it's a targeted effect as opposed to just using empirical antibiotics based on what was used before. It also tells us inflammatory markers in the body that are connected to other disease and pathogens.
This is an important one, and I think a lot of people at home can learn something about this, which I didn't know. How are lasers helping dentists prevent tooth loss?
So lasers, there's one specific laser procedure which is more helpful for trying to regain attachment lost to the teeth. But the primary role of a laser, at least at this point, would be adjunctive therapy or additional therapy to mechanical cleaning of the teeth, and also to clean the pathogens out from that area, that little sock basically of our gum tissue around the tooth, and just to really, it's another form of disinfection.
And real quickly before we go, what are the tips that you can give our viewers to improve our immune system and stay healthy during the pandemic?
Yeah, I think just do, there's a lot. It could be try to reduce stress through exercise, meditation, any of those things, whatever's your way of doing it, because that raises cortisol. Cortisol is one of the things that can create problems or holes in the immune system. Definitely, I'm crazy about this, but hand washing, mask wearing, I think at this point. And then at home, just doing everything that you can to take care of your teeth and your gums, flossing, brushing, and go to your regular visits as long as you are healthy. You're not, you haven't been diagnosed with any type of COVID.
Well, such useful information and a reminder that this is everything's connected. Thank you so much, Doctor. Great to see you, and thanks for being on Good Morning Washington. We'll take a quick break and have much more right after this.
Okay, all right, thank you.